Ian, the first thing most Canadians give up with a plunging dollar are U.S. travel and cross-border shopping. Anyone planning either can pretty much count themselves a loser in the currency exchange game.
Not good, definitely. It's hard to go to U.S. right now.
That's terrible.
Do you do a lot of...
We do some traveling down south and all that. We're from Edmonton, Alberta, and we decided to stay in Canada. So, I mean, that's a good thing for Canadian tourism.
But their loss is a big win here, Niagara Falls, Ontario, just across the river from New York State, where Canadians used to head en masse to shop at outlet malls. The low loonie has them spending closer to home.
I was looking forward to coming here and going over to the U.S., but it's the money, we just decided to come here.
We've pretty much spent all of our vacations as staycations for that reason.
The Canadian dollar began its slide at the beginning of the year as a worldwide glut of crude and the slowing Chinese economy led to falling oil prices. With oil now below $40 a barrel, Canada's energy-producing provinces are seeing big losses in revenues. This St. John's economics professor says for Newfoundland, that could mean big budget cuts.
The price of oil were to stay low as it is now, there's no way for them to hit a balanced budget unless they substantially change their expenditures.
But the low dollar is a big win for Canadian companies like Influitive. It creates software that helps other companies run online customer loyalty programs. CEO and founder Mark Organ says with most of its staff and head office paid for in Canadian dollars, Influitive gets a boost from having most of its customers in the U.S. and billed in U.S. dollars.
So it will be a benefit for sure, right? Our costs are 20% lower than what they would have been. That is definitely an attractive thing, but it's not what makes or breaks an industry. So good thing, but it doesn't change everything.
Canadian manufacturers that export to the U.S. also typically win when the dollar is low and their products look like a bargain to American customers. Of course, 75 cents U.S. is one of those psychological barriers that can leave Canadians feeling the poor loonie itself is a bit of a loser. Ian?
Thanks, Ron.